Hey guys, today we're going to talk about DD's latest product, the D4.125. The D4.125 is going to be a replacement for the D4.100A. It's going to have all the same features, it's going to have the same footprint, it's going to have the same price point. The thing is, you're going to get more power. This amplifier will put out 125 watts by 4 at 4 ohms, and then it'll put out 200 watts by 4 at 2 ohm stereo for a total of 800 watts of RMS power. So it is a lot of power packed in this footprint. That is going to be great for, say, like your Harley Davidsons and things of that nature, where you have to have a lot of power packed in a pretty tight area. In fact, for the Harleys, we even have these brackets. We have Road Glide and Street Glide brackets, 14 and up, that'll work with this amplifier. You just mount the amp on there, use factory bolts to mount right in the Harley, so works great with those guys. Also, I mentioned power sports and stuff. It's all conformal coated boards, so that's going to be weather resistant. It also has all sealed switches and jumpers, which aren't affected by moisture like a bunch of the switches that other companies out there use. And then this thing is still, like I said, same features as the D4.100A, so it is feature packed. You've got clipping indicators on here, so that way easy setup. You've got your bandpass crossovers on here, which really lets you dial stuff in. If you're not using a DSP, you need more control. It's got 2-channel, 4-channel input modes, and then it's got 3 turn-on modes. So you've got remote turn-on, DC offset turn-on, and signal sense turn-on. And it also has the set screw terminals, so that's great for maximum power transfer and solid connections. I prefer them to the Molex connectors. So anyways, that is what we got for you guys today. Same footprint, same price point, same great features, more power.
Can you show us how big it is? Can you grab it in your hand?
I will show you how little this amplifier is.
That's true.